Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP, which is vertical lookup. So in order to use a VLOOKUP, you need a value. In this case, we're going to look for the name and the salary of an employee based on their ID. So here I have an ID. So in order to get the name, I'll put equal VLOOKUP, and then I'll select the lookup value, which is in this case the ID. And then there's two ways to do the table array. Either you select the whole thing, or you just select the two parts you're going to use, which is ID or name in this case, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to do the whole thing. And we're going to make it absolute, so when we copy it, it's still the same. We click F4. Now, for the column index, you can either select it physically with your mouse, or you can put the number for the column. In this case, we got column A and B and C, so we want to look for the name. In this case, it's going to be number 2. Now, we get two options when this formula looks for this value, either true or false. True is an approximation, and false, it is exactly how it is. So, for example, if somebody spells Jack without the capital J, we use true if we just want to get just any Jack, but we want to look exactly for Jack. So we're going to use false. And then we close it, and then we enter. And we got Smith. Same thing here. So now we just copy it, and we just switch it up. And then for the column, it's going to be number 3 here, and then enter. And now we got exactly this. Thank you. Have a good day.